Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN. And on today's recipe, we're going to be having my easy, famous, and delicious collard greens. And if you haven't had my collard greens, you better slap yourself, because I got the best collard greens on earth. And make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need 3 tablespoons of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of seasoning salt, tablespoon of crushed red peppers, tablespoon of black pepper, lifted onion soup mix pack, smoked beef sausage, chopped onions, chopped bell pepper, a half a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, this whole thing of chicken stock, and 3 tablespoons of butter. And of course your collard greens, 1 bag. When I get back, I'm going to show you how to saute the beef sausage. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you saute your sausage, your smoked beef sausage, just like that. You want to put your onions in there, just like that. You want to put your bell peppers in there, just like that. You want to season it. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of seasoning salt, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And you saute your beef sausage, and your onion and your bell pepper. Saute it till it gets golden brown, and we're going to add it to our greens. And when I get through sauteing this, I'll be right back. And now I'm about to show you how to mix everything up with these good old collard greens. You want to put 3 tablespoons of garlic powder in these greens. I already got my greens in here. I already got my sausage, onions, and bell pepper in here. 2 tablespoons of Lawry's seasoning salt, lifted onion soup mix, all up in there. You got to season your greens. Tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of crushed red peppers, half a cup of brown sugar, all up in there. 3 tablespoons of honey. It's going to be so delicious, y'all. I tell you, the best on earth. All this chicken stock. It's 32-ounce bottle of chicken stock. No water, it's chicken stock. Chicken stock gives more flavor. We're building flavors upon flavors. And 3 heaping tablespoons of butter. And when these greens are done, I'll be back to show you the finished product. And this is the finished product of my easy, famous, and delicious collard greens. Look at it, y'all. It looks good. It smells good, and I know it's going to taste good. If you want more Easy Cooking with JUAN, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe. Tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day. And make sure you watch all my other videos too.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.